Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, unable to move message. The message could not be moved to mailbox trash. So how you can fix it? So you just need to go to the settings, just open the settings. And in the settings you need to find passwords and accounts, so just open it. And here you will see your mail, your account you successfully added before. So you just tap on this account and just switch to turn off your mail. Just after you do it, just press on power button and just slide to power off and restart your phone. So just after it will shut down, you just power on your phone and go back here to these options. So just go back here to passwords and accounts, to your account, and just turn on mail here. So I hope that it will help you. So if not, you just need to delete your account and just add your account again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.